Hiya and welcome to week 11 vlog for the GRD House AR project. This week I've been working on the grid component system and implementing the A-star pathfinding for the piping system, which is now complete. The algorithm utilizes last week's method of the wall loading system that I've now got saved. If I load it up for you real quick, you can see now that the whole level has its walls completely mapped out. So that anywhere within the house the pipes can A-path to each other. To test this, here is a end block and here is a start block. If I press P, you can see that this blue line indicates the path that has been navigated. As you can see, it's going around the windows and only going on a tile where a wall is either front, back, left or right of the cell, meaning that it won't go across floors. It will go through solid floors though, because that is in theory, behind walls. And it will navigate wherever you have the start and endpoints. For example, if I move this endpoint along and up a bit and navigate again, you can see it pass up to here. Yeah, this will work anywhere across the whole thing, and the next step is just to get the visuals working, where the pipes will be added to each cell one by one in a very plop, 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 kind of like satisfying snapping motion as each clicks into place with a little effect. And that is very simple because, of course, the original placing system of any component already exists, already works. So yeah, it's just tying the two together, really. And that shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, just kind of putting a bunch of these pipes down, like so, from your start and endpoints, and then tying this to the UI, of course. So on that front, Connor has worked on some design diagrams. Here you can see that here's the main menu, current design, with some basic start options, where there's more information that you can go to each to learn about heat piping that you can click on, and also the UI is meant to be very simplistic and easy to read. For the level selection, you can swipe between each of your topologies and pick which level you want to play as. It will give you a bit of information, and it'll also give you a link to find out more about this certain household on a URL web link. In-game, the buttons are bigger now for easier use. There's some UI to show some text to show what you got to do next, as well as the button for loading which level of the house you're on now works. As you can see, this changes its visibility. As you can see on this icon, the roof is taken off, so it is now tied to the object in game. So yeah, that's us for this week. I'll carry on implementing more components next week, hooking up the pipes to more than just a boiler and a radiator, and continue to hook up that functionality in game with the UI. Thank you very much.